Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special video for you. We are going to the stunning Georget Fabric Saree, price at Rs1650. As we open the boxes, we are immediately guaranteed with the rich and luxurious feel of the Georget fabric. This saree is made with intricate design and execute craftsmanship, making it truly one of a kind. Let's take a closer look at the fabric. Georget fabric is known for its lightweight and sheer texture, making it perfect for draping. It feels incredibly soft against the skin and has a delicate flow to it. Just look at this vibrant color. The saree is adorned with beautiful pattern and stunning embellishment. The attention to detail is incapable, showcasing the expertise of the artisans who created it. The Georget Fabric Saree offers versatility in styling, whether you prefer a traditional wrap or a modern twist. This saree allows you to express your unique sense of style. As you can see, the Georget Fabric Saree draped effortlessly, enhancing the natural curve of the body in exude elegance and sophistication, truly making a statement. Now let's talk about the price. It's a 1650. This saree may seem like an investment, but when you consider the quality and craftsmanship and the timeless beauty it offers, it's become a cherished price and it can be passed down through generation. Thank you for joining us on this video, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion insights and trends. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.